Okay, let's go. Hey everybody, this is the first video on my YouTube channel. This YouTube channel is going to be about exploring, and I did a YouTube channel before, Shady Giga 500, but that was a kind of stupid YouTube channel, so we're starting a new one. And here's my assistant.
Hello. I thought you were going to say something.
Well, you are my sister. Now, if you live where I live, you might already know about the Smith Cemetery, but we're not going to be exploring the Smith Cemetery. We're going to go in the woods. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, so we're going to be splitting up. And holy crap, what is that? I've always wanted to go in here, but what the heck is that? Okay. By the looks of it, it's a, let's get it around to the other side. Yep, it is a car. What kind of brand is this tire? Goodyear. You can clearly tell it's a kind of broken tire. So, shut up! Not y'all, I'm talking to whoever's texting me. Okay. And here I have a little, kind of little pond. Okay. So by the looks of it, this is definitely a car, because you kind of see the light right here. So this is pretty awesome. I really wonder what this is though. Okay, well that's going to do it for this video. We are going to make longer videos later, but, you know, first video, there's not much to this place besides this car right here. So, bye-bye. I'll see you in the next video in about a month. I don't know. Bye.